Okay, today I'm gonna make steamed banana cake. So the ingredient is you need 3 egg, 2 banana. If you're using small banana, maybe you need a 3 or 5. And this is, I already measure them, is 1 cup of sugar, brown sugar or white sugar. This is 1 cup of butter, or if you don't have a butter, you can use oil, any oil cooking. And this is wheat flour. I use 2 cups of wheat flour. And measure spoon and natrium bicarbonate or soda bicarbonate. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, that is banana delay. My banana is very ripe. Oops. Okay, crunch them. There is mashed banana. Leave it for 15 to 30 minutes, okay? Rest. Okay, this is 1 cup of sugar you put in here. And this egg, 3 egg. And put lid on. And let's go to blender. Okay, this is the egg and sugar blend. Take the butter. Take the banana. Mix it together. Mix well. Okay, put in here. Okay, this is the 2. I already put a little bit in there. 2 cups of wheat flour. you put in a seed. And 1 teaspoon of soda or natrium or coconut, any of them. And you mix it like this. Okay, mix the wet ingredient and the dry one. This is the butter, the egg, the sugar. Mix it together. And you stream them together. Stir. Mix really well. Mix really well. Mix it everything, okay? In here you can using any shape, okay, but I just got only this one. This is the greasy proof pepper. Okay, this put in here. This is the greasy pepper I already put in a bottle. Okay, I topping a little bit of slice of banana, but if you don't have it, no worries. Still we put almond, so the shape on top is nice. Okay, let's for 45 to 50 minutes. With the very normal fire, okay?
Here's Young's banana cake, steamed for 1 hour, and now we're ready to turn it upside down, see if it comes out.
Oh, it's very hot.
Very hot.
Yeah.
Let me now, missus, be careful.
It's the first time.
Okay, see if it, go shake it.
Ooh.
Whoa, darling, very nice. Well, I'm looking forward to a slice of this. Well, I haven't finished off the creme caramel that Young made last night yet. I've been spoiled a little bit with Young's cooking while the lockdown's going on. You want to cut it, darling?
Oh, looks good.
Ooh.
Wow.
Beautiful. Yeehaw!